Kasi guys, sorry naman na, hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Hi guys! Hi everyone! For the new viewers, please like and subscribe to my channel. And ang topic natin for today is about another form of my self-therapy. So guys, madalas ginagawa ko to. Technically, anytime, any day, ginagawa ko to. This is my number one form of self-therapy, which is ice cream! Favorite flavor ko talaga is cheese. Pero okay na sa akin yung kahit anong flavor. Ngayon, vanilla yung tinatry ko. Yan. Dati, favorite ko Rocker Road. However, gusto ko kasi yung cheese flavor, lalo na yung may mga buong cheese. Yun. Kasi guys, sorry naman na, hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Kasi guys, nung maliliit pa kami, di ba driver yung father ko. Lagi namin siya hinihintay kasi alam namin may pasalubong siya. At ang pasalubong niya sa amin is ice cream stick. At tuwing may occasion sa amin, ang namin, handa namin or binibili niya is ice cream. Hindi mawawala ang ice cream. Kaya siguro nakalakihan ko na yung ice cream. Other like cakes, chocolates, yung mga ganon. Ako, ice cream, okay na sa akin yan, ice cream. Guys, ito medyo malaki siya. So, hindi ko siya kayang ubusin ng isang upuan lang. Pero, yung mga size ng 3-in-1s, kaya kong ubusin ng isang upuan lang yun, guys. Pero, I'll make sure, after that day, kailangan ma-burn ko lahat ng sugar na inintake ko kasi I'm in my 40s na ayoko naman magka-diabetes, right? So, gagawa ako or physical activities the following day. Kung wala akong physical activities the following day, magte-treadmill ako. Yung ganun. I'll make sure na mababurn lahat ng sugar na inintake ko dahil sa, yun nga, ice cream guys, inubos, isang bowl. So yun guys, this is my number one form of self-therapy, ice cream. This is my food for the soul. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please like my video. Thanks for watching.